Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha on Monday, Khulekani cements his place as Mkhululi wama-Judea. The council's divided about who should lead iTempile leNkosi. Ndlovu expresses his worry to his wives about the war brewing in their church. On Tuesday, Khulekani tries to sway the council in his direction. Mzansimagic new way leave Maphalala suspicious of infidelity. Ndlovu is convinced into apologizing. On Wednesday, Khulekani's insolence goes up to a notch. Difa rallies the council to do the right thing. Ndlovu claims he has learned his lessons and wants to be brought back to the gravy train. On Thursday, Siphamandla removes Khulekani from his covering. Tension continues brewing between the Mthembu Makotis. The council orders Khulekani to make the right decision. On Friday, Siphamandla continued to extend an olive branch at Khulekani. Mazungu chides Maphalala for not trusting her, and Ndlovu tries to suss out what is happening at church. Thank you for watching.